Welcome back. The third phase of GMAIN examinations were conducted successfully in the month of July 2021. These examinations were conducted in 4 different days in 7 shifts. And here is an overall comprehensive analysis for all the shifts of GMAIN examinations. This analysis includes the difficulty level of the question papers, expected marks for the student for more than 90 percentile in all the shifts, and expected cutoffs of marks and percentiles for various categories of students. Though this analysis is believed to be so comprehensive and accurate, the actual results may vary owing to various other factors. Take a look at the difficulty level of the question papers. On 20th July 2021, Shift 1 question paper was given moderate. On the other hand, Shift 2's question paper is said to be moderate to difficult. On 22nd of July, no GMAIN examination was conducted by the NTA in the morning session. The afternoon's shift paper is said to be moderate. On 25th of July 2021, Shift 1 paper was given moderate to difficult, whereas Shift 2's paper is said to be easy to moderate. On the last day, the 27th of July, Shift 1's question paper was moderate, whereas Shift 2's question paper was said to be difficult. Look at this table. Here, the expected marks for the students who get more than 90 percentile have been given. On a bird's eye view, it can be understood that the expected marks for 25th July Shift 2's question paper are scaling high. In a mere contrast, 27th of July Shift 2's paper was given tougher, so the expected marks have been scaled down. Now, what are the expected marks for the students who achieve 99 plus percentile? The students of 20th July Shift 1 should get 205 marks and Shift 2 students should get 198 marks. 22nd July single shift students should get 202 marks and Shift 1 students of 25th of July should get 196 marks, whereas Shift 2 students should get 232 marks on the same day. On 27th of July Shift 1, the students should get 201 marks and Shift 2 students should get 182 marks. For achieving 98 percentile, how many marks are needed for various shifts of students? Let us have a look at them. For 98 percentile, Shift 1 July 20 students should secure 176 marks and Shift 2 students should get 170 marks. 22nd July Shift 2 students should get 174 marks and then 25th July Shift 1 students should get 167 marks. 212 marks should be gotten by the Shift 2 students of 25th of July. And 172 marks are needed to be secured by the Shift 1 students of 27th of July. On the other side, 27th July Shift 2 batch should get a minimum of 160 marks. For achieving 97 plus percentile, Shift 1 batch students of 20th July should get 163 marks. Then for Shift 2 batch, the number should be 160. The students of 22nd of July should get 160 marks and the students from 25th July Shift 1 batch should secure 156 marks. 196 should be the Shift 2 batch score on 27th of July. 27th July Shift 1 batch should get 160 marks. 27th July Shift 2 batch should get 152 marks. For achieving 96 percentile, Shift 1 July 20 batch should get 152 marks. Shift 2 batch should get 142. 22nd July batch should get 149. And then 25th July Shift 1 batch should get 137 marks. 184 marks should be secured by the Shift 2 batch from 25th of July. 150 marks are to be scored by the Shift 1 batch of 27th of July and 130 marks are to be needed by Shift 2 batch of 27th of July. For achieving 95 percentile, a student at Shift 1 batch of 20th of July needed 141. 134 marks are needed by Shift 2 student, 138 marks for 22nd July, 130 marks for Shift 1 July 25th, 178 marks for Shift 2 July 25th. 140 marks are needed for Shift 1 batch of 27 July. 125 marks are needed for Shift 2 batch of 2 July. 125 marks are needed for Shift 2 batch of July 27. For gaining 90 percentile, 98 marks are needed for Shift 1 July 28th batch, 88 marks for Shift 2 and 96 marks are needed for single shift batch on 22nd. 87 marks are needed for the Shift 1 from July 25. 147 marks are needed for the Shift 2 and then Shift 1 students from July 27th should get 96 marks and then Shift 2 July 27 batch students should get 90 marks. Here are the expected cutoffs of percentiles and marks of various categories of students. A general category student should need the percentile range between 88 and 92 and a marks between 95 and 105. An EWS category student should need the percentile between 68 and 72 and marks range between 75 and 85. For an OBC student, the required percentile should be between 68 and 72 and the required marks should be between 75 and 85. For an SC category student, he should need the percentile between 50 and 52 and marks between 60 and 64. An ST category student requires the percentile range between 42 and 46 and marks between 51 and 53. This is all about the overall comprehensive analysis on the JEE Main examinations conducted in the month of July 2021. Thanks for watching.